Rosebud and I are watching the birds together this morning. She's been right by my side. I've got the food I like to put out for the birds to entice them: shell corn and peanuts in the shell. Dandelion's gonna keep me company. Seth has been out hunting too and exploring. He's gonna help me watch for blue jays. Jordan's watching for birds with me too, aren't you, buddy? Yes. Little Nanette is out hunting for the birds too. I've been patiently waiting for the birds with the cats, but unfortunately now I'm out of my patience.